Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, locate calendar and tap on it. Then pick a date, for example that one, and click at the bottom right corner on this plus icon. Over here you can customize your event however you want to. For example, you can pick one of the occasions, add a title, set up starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by clicking on this filter next to all day. You can also pick how many times you want your event to repeat, set up reminder, add guest, people, location, and many other things. When you're done, click at the top right corner to save your event. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to delete it, you need to click on it, then tap on this bin icon over here and select OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!